Good morning, honorable judges,
Ladies and gentlemen,
and fellow 4-H members. I'm Jamie,
and I'm Charlie.
and today we will be showing you how to make perler bead magnets.
Here's what you need.
You'll need perler beads,
Magnets,
an iron, but you might want to ask your parents to help you with this because it can get really hot.
a perler bead tray, and it comes in lots of sorts of different things.
There's hearts
Stars,
and circles. You're going to need parchment paper, but not wax paper because it might ruin your iron.
a hot glue gun. You might also want to ask your parents for help because it can also get really hot. And it's only if you don't have peel-off backs on your magnets.
Now you're ready to start making your perler bead magnets. Step 1. Choose a design you want for your perler bead magnet.
Step 2. Choose a design that you would like and put it on your perler bead tray.
Once you have the design you desire, put parchment paper on top of the perler beads.
Now that you have put your parchment paper on top of your perler beads, it's time to melt it. And make sure it's not directly on your perler bead creation. Make sure it's on the parchment paper on the perler beads.
Step 5. Let it cool and then flip it over.
Now that you have flipped it over, you can melt the other side.
When you have finished melting the beads, put on your magnet. And remember, you don't have to add a magnet.
Yeah, you can add a safety pin or nothing at all.
We became interested in perler beads because we thought it would be a good craft idea to do during lockdown.
There are 2 ways to tell if your creations are done melting. Number 1, you can see it through the parchment paper. And number 2, you can look on the sides and you'll see sandwiched sides.
You can find beads on Amazon, at Michael's, and maybe at Walmart.
And you can find patterns on Pinterest, and maybe you can think of your own pattern.
On Pinterest, there's awesome ideas too, such as animals, food, and any subject you can think of.
Here are some that we made.
I made an adorable white cat with cute and tiny pink cheeks.
And I made a cute lemonade with eyes.
I made an egg that I thought would turn out terrible, but the finished product turned out great.
And finally, we made our dog Knox, and it looks exactly like him.
Here's a fun fact. Perler beads were invented in the beginning of the 1960s.
And thank you for your time.
If you have any questions, you can email Tim and we will answer them for you.
Have fun making your perler bead magnets.